Welcome to the Thin Within podcast, the show for women who want mental secrets for weight loss mastery. I'm your host, Marna Thall. I'm the owner of thinwithin.com, and I'm here to give you the inside scoop on how to lose weight by mastering your inner game. Diets never worked for me long term, and if you're like 95% of the rest of the human race, they haven't worked long term for you either. Every week, I'll give you tools, techniques, and resources you need to actually succeed in using the power of your mind to lose weight. I can't wait to teach you another mental secret, so let's dive right in. Well, hello everybody. How are you? Are you enjoying this wonderful fall weather? I hope so. Well, today I want to talk to you about how you can use a very specific visualization process to 10x your results for your body and your weight. Visualization, as many of you know, with the work that I do in Thin Within, is very, very important process because I love utilizing a whole brain approach to weight loss. I find it to be extremely beneficial for clients to not just lose weight, but for my clients to keep the weight off when they really learn these powerful tools. What happens is it ignites different parts of their brain, creating more lasting, faster results. So I wanted to talk to you today about using visualization. I love visualization, but research is starting to become more and more evident that there's a way to use visualization that will actually get you better and better results. And I want to talk to you about that strategy. When I was losing weight, I really hunkered down, and I continue to use visualization all the time, is visualizing the outcome that I wanted for my body. I would visualize how I wanted to feel. I would visualize connecting and doing the things that I wanted to do as the end result. And a lot of times that's where we focus. A lot of times you'll see and hear experts talk about identifying the outcome that you want to see and visualizing that outcome. And that's a pretty typical approach. But I want to go deeper today, and I want to share with you an approach that I want to make sure that you're not leaving out when you're thinking about visualization. And this will really help you start to see better results, because what you'll be doing is looking at this whole process of the end result and how to get there. So let's say you want to weigh 140 to 150 pounds. And you may have practiced, like I used to do, connecting to the feeling of being 140 and 150 pounds, which is awesome. That is fantastic. But oftentimes that's where it stops. It stops. It's like, what am I doing? Who am I being? What am I connecting to? To even go deeper for you and for my clients, what I'm working with them on is to now look at how to go deeper by looking and visualizing the process. Because for those of us who started to really fall in love with the law of attraction and using visualization to manifest, we just focused on the outcome, not the how-to. And I want to suggest that you begin to really look and visualize as part of your process the how-to. So let's use the same example. You want to weigh between 140 and 150 pounds, let's just say, as an example. And what you can start to do is think about and write out, how do you envision getting there? Is it going to the gym and lifting weights? Is it going on a morning walk with friends or by yourself, listening to my amazing podcast? What are you doing? Is it eating meals that are full of vibrant colors? Is it eating whole foods? Are you in social situations and seeing yourself loving these social connections and eating just a small amount? Maybe you'd love to get to the place through this journey where you enjoy eating a couple slices of pizza with a salad. So, do you see what I mean? I want you to really begin to access the process, not just you being that weight, but the process of being that weight. Who are you showing up as? What are you doing to get there? What are the activities you find yourself loving and getting excited about doing? What is changing through the process of your life to get you down to your ideal weight? And obviously, we want this to be in a positive realm. We don't want to say things or visualize giving up things. We don't want to visualize yourself not feeling social, not enjoying parties. We want to see yourself enjoying a party, going to social situations, feeling really connected to your body, honoring your body, and being the light and healthy person that you are, and putting food in its place, in its natural place where it doesn't rule everything. Being able to go to a restaurant and have chips out and you just have no interest because you're so excited for the main meal, or sending the bread away at the very beginning of the meal, or having just a few bites and sending it away. Whatever it looks like to you, when you start to really think about who are you being, how are you showing up, how are you acting and living in this lighter, thinner body, then when we start to really identify and visualize the process, you start to tighten up your results. You start to see yourself not just as that person weighing a certain amount, but the person who's getting to that person who weighs that amount. And when you start to see yourself and accessing the actions to help you get there, you begin to see yourself being and showing up as fit and lighter and leaner and healthier and your gorgeous self. And so I want to encourage you, if you've just been focusing on the outcome from a visualization standpoint, begin to see the process as well. Visualize and feel and connect into the process of being that person who is becoming the ideal weight that you want to be. And that's very different than just focusing on the end result. And I just want to encourage you to expand the process out a bit. See yourself doing and being and acting in a way to help support you to get there. Because if you can see yourself pushing a plate away from the table, if you can see yourself leaving food on the plate, if you can see yourself going on a jog or a walk or lifting weights, if you can imagine that and see that and you practice that over and over in your mind's eye, what will happen is you're not just seeing the end result, you're seeing who you get to be through the process to get you that end result. One of the things I love about the membership community that we have is that I get to bring these important holistic tools to help support you in the process of losing weight. That's why I include hypnotherapy. It's why we include EFT tapping. It's why we include visualization, mindfulness, and breath work. These are all such powerful tools that just not only give you the mental strength to navigate weight loss, that give you the tools to bring to a meal experience, that give you the tools to help support you through emotional eating and support, but it just helps strengthen the results once you get there too. It gives you powerful holistic tools to strengthen your ability to create the body that you want and then maintain the results that you've created for yourself. So if you haven't checked out our membership community, right now it's called the Inner Circle. I'd love to have you join me. Inside of the membership community, we always do a course. And right now we're doing a course at the end of the year called 8 Weeks, 8 Pounds Down. We are in week 2, so there's still time to sign up and enjoy and catch up. And I'd love to have you in there. Also, as part of the membership community, you will enjoy things like visualizations. I just put together for my members a new visualization that they could use in the morning to begin to connect to success, what success looks like, feels like, what actions can help support that success. So you will get access to that when you sign up as well. All right, everybody, have yourself an amazing, amazing day. Bye, everybody.